Hi everybody, my name is Mukul and I'm a former student of Mr. Akash Kohli, and I've known him from past 5 to 6 years now. I was with him during my graduation as well. He helped me in my engineering mathematics, and he was really great with it. And he just told me those tricks and tips and that's all I needed. I'm not really good in mathematics, but I did really good in maths in my college, and thanks to Akash Kohli and Aay Kay Classes. And after my graduation, after working, I planned to come to Canada, and that's when I called him. I was like, okay, I just have 2 days to prepare for my IELTS. He said, yeah, let's do it. Not a big deal. And I was with him just for 4 to 5 hours for these 2 days, and I got 7 bands. That's amazing. And he just told me those tricks and those tips, and that's all I needed to clear those examinations. And he's an amazing personality in terms of that. So his classes are really fun. He's just not like any other typical coaching classes or any professor who just sit there and only talk about studies. He's really not like that. He makes it fun. He's really amazing. He'll tell you those things that you need to know to get through those things. And I feel really lucky that I know him now, and I'm still in touch with him, and I really hope to meet him soon. And I would really suggest you guys to have a chat with him, because trust me, he is all you need.